Want to learn how to change the password of your Roblox account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on the three dotted straight lines inside a circle on the bottom right corner. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Settings next to Blog. Tap on Settings. Tap on Account Info on the top. You can see under this account info section, you have an option of changing your display name, username, password, add a phone number, email address, and your own personal info. Tap on this edit icon next to password on the right corner. You need to enter your current password and then create a new password and confirm the new password once again. So I'm gonna do it. You can do off your own. First of all, enter your current password. Tap a new password and enter a new password. Tap and confirm password below and enter your new password once again. When you're done doing all, tap and update below. You can see that you have successfully changed your password. Tap on OK. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.